Downey John Thomas, an 11th grade student at IA Educational Institute, and I'm here to teach you about phi and Fibonacci art. Let's get started. To begin, I'd like to introduce you what phi is. Phi is the 21st letter of the Greek alphabet that represents the golden ratio. The golden ratio is a special number found by dividing a line into two parts so that a longer part is divided by the smaller part is equal to the whole length by the longer part. It may sound pretty complex and such, but it's really not. Just don't overthink it too much. An example of such is as follows. This picture right here is a perfect example of phi, or the golden ratio. And up here are the symbols representing phi. What is Fibonacci? The Fibonacci sequence is a series of numbers where a number is found by adding the two numbers before it, starting with 0 and 1. The sequence goes on 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, etc. You get the gist. Written as a rule and expression, it would be x times n equals xn minus 1 plus xn. A Fibonacci spiral is a series of connected quarter circles drawn inside an array of squares with Fibonacci numbers for dimensions. An example is with this to the left. The squares fit perfectly together because of the nature of the sequence, where the next number is equal to the sum of the two before it. Any two successive Fibonacci numbers have a ratio very close to the golden ratio. The larger the pair of Fibonacci numbers, the closer the approximation. The spiral and resulting rectangle are known as the golden rectangle, which is to the left of this slide. On to the next one. Where the phi are Fibonacci? The golden ratio and the Fibonacci sequence are found in both nature and art. Examples of such are as follows. Flower petals. The number of flower petals on some flowers follow the Fibonacci sequence. It is believed the Darwinian process, each petal is placed to allow the best possible exposure and sunlight and other factors. Here would be an example of the Fibonacci sequence in a flower. I think this is pretty cool. That's pretty 3D. That you get the full grasp of the picture. I think that's pretty awesome. And we go on to the next. Tree branches. The way tree branches form or split is also an example of Fibonacci sequence. And is here. Isn't that pretty cool? I think that's pretty cool. And the following is DNA molecule. A DNA molecule measures 34 angstroms by 24 angstroms at each full cycle of the double helix spiral. In the Fibonacci series, 34 and 21 are successive numbers. Now, I don't have the full DNA molecule, but I can give you an idea of what I mean by that, and it follows here. I think that's also pretty amazing. Now on to the final, the art. Art thou examples. Famous artworks include the following. The Great Wave of Kanagawa, printing by Hokusawa, which is a wave, and a beautiful wave, might add. And another would be the Mona Lisa by Leonardo da Vinci. As you can see, it also represents the Fibonacci spiral. And The Girl with the Purple Earring by Johannes Vermeer. Another beautiful example. So that concludes my presentation. I hope that you learned a valuable piece of information from it. And if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to email me at adonijah.o.t@gmail.com. That is adonijah.o.t@gmail.com. Thank you.